Hello everyone, my name is Anupam Singh Sikarwar and welcome back to the second video on the topic of trigonometry. In last video we have solved the exercise 3.1, and before we start let me just tell you that the format of this video is to first solve all the exercises. So if someone is only here to see how to solve the exercise, all the question in the exercise, then we will cover them, and then we will talk patiently about everything, every factor of trigonometry, why, when, where, how to use, and every logic that is required for the further studies also, right? So what we will do in this video, same as the last video where we have solved the exercise 3.1, we will go there and solve exercise 3.2. And before, we don't know anything right now, and we will just attempt the questions like we do in exams. We don't study in full semester, full year, and when we have exam, we are just thinking and looking for some clue so we can just solve the question in the same format. I am taking this because that is uh, very nice, I will say, because when we are in exam, all the questions that is coming in exam, we remember that, and we come to know that this is the solution and this is the pattern, this is the formula for that. So it hit differently, and only this was the required to do that, right? So in the same way, here we have exercise 3.2, and suppose you are in an exam hall and it's saying that find the value of other five trigonometric functions. Okay, five, you know, five means પાંચ, right? What is a trigonometric function? Do you know about this? Do you know really? Honestly, do you know what is a trigonometric functions? So if you don't know, then here you have a chance to know, and you are also not in the exam. So congratulations for that, right? So first thing we have to know what is the trigonometric functions. That is important, very important. You can't skip this, right? So in 10th we have already studies in trigonometry. There is sin x, or you can say sin theta, cos theta. This is the two main functions. We will say main functions, right? So if we have a right angle triangle like this, okay, just ignore the drawing, and this is the right angle, this is perpendicular, base, hypotenuse, and suppose we have theta here, then the sin theta, I think I should clear this. So sin theta will be perpendicular by hypotenuse, right? So it will be p by h. Okay. If we name all the sides like a, b, c, then this ab, that is equal to p ab by ac, this h, ab by ac, that is sine. Cos, what is cos? It will be base by hypotenuse, right? So base is b, right? So this is b by h. We can also write it like bc by ac. This is bc and this is ac. Don't think this is the that one bc. Okay, this is bc, this side. Okay, so now we have tan theta. Tan theta, that is sine by cos. Sine by cos theta. Okay, so if we take sine p by h and then b by h, so we can write p by h into h by b. H cancel, that is equal to p by b, that is equal to p is ab by bc. Okay, so this is the first trigonometric function. Second, this is the third. Okay, and I will just clear that is not required. So this is not required, and yeah, this is required somehow. And the important thing to know is this, and here uh, p by b, p by b, that is also important, right? tan theta equal to P by B, cos theta equal to B by H, sin theta will be P by H. Okay. Now we have the fourth function, fourth one, that is cosec, and cosec is 1 by sin theta. So 1 by sin theta means opposite hypotenuse by P, perpendicular. Now fifth is sec theta, sec theta, that is 1 by cos theta, that is hypotenuse by base. Sixth one is cot theta, that is 1 by tan, that is base by perpendicular, right? So this is the sixth, total six trigonometric function that we are talking about here, trigonometric functions, right? So you have to remember this. Then we have, let me change the color, we have a right angle triangle here, right angle triangle here. So this is perpendicular, this is base, this is hypotenuse, and we took this angle as a theta. We cannot take this angle, we can take this one or this one, any one, right? So this is theta. So sin theta is perpendicular by hypotenuse, right? Okay. Now we know what is trigonometric functions. Okay. So congratulations to everyone who is watching this video, that you know what is a trigonometric function. So suppose again you are in an exam hall and now you know what is a trigonometric function. So it's saying find the value of other five. You know this is cos x and we have a value of cos x here, and we have to find sin x. X is a any degree, okay? So sin cos 10x, 10x, cosec x, sec x, and cot x. We have to find the value of this 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And the best thing is that we know what is a trigonometric function. Okay. The best thing is we know what is a trigonometric function here. We know what is a trigonometric function. Okay. Now we have to find these all functions. Okay. So now it's saying cos x equal to 1 by 2 x. This angle lies in third quadrant. Oh, what is the importance of writing this line here? Why the uh, that person who is writing this book is written like this, who is making this question, x lies in third quadrant? There will be some meaning of that, okay? He is not writing anything with his own mind, right? So x lies in third quadrant, it means that, look, we have already talked, this is a right angle triangle, right? Yeah. So this is right angle triangle, and let me just make it here. Okay, this is right angle triangle. Here we have theta, right? This is A, this is B, this is C. Okay, so we know this is right angle triangle, and I will just remind you of a Pythagoras that is saying that AC square, that is hypotenuse, AC square equal to AB square plus BC square, means perpendicular perpendicular square plus base का whole square. If we sum that, then it will be equal to the whole square of hypotenuse. So now this is the second thing that you have to remember. First, trigonometric function, that is sin x, sin cos tan, cosec sec cot, right? Second thing is this Pythagoras, and third thing What is the meaning of saying that x lies in the third quadrant? See, saying x lies in third quadrant. So here this is the first quadrant, this is second quadrant, this is third quadrant, and this is fourth quadrant, right? So x is in third quadrant. So the third thing you have to note is in first quadrant all positive, means all the trigonometric functions like sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec, and cot. All these six trigonometric functions are positive in first quadrant. Point to be noted. Okay. In second quadrant, sine and cosec is positive. Point to be noted. In third, tan and cot is positive, and all the other remaining four trigonometric functions are negative in third quadrant. And here cos, cos and sec is positive. Okay. So question is saying that we have cos x, we have cos x, and x lies in third quadrant, right? You see here, cos lies in third quadrant. So this is very good sign for us that cos, if sorry, not here, cos lies in third quadrant. So here cos is negative, cos will be negative because only tan and cot is positive in this quadrant. Okay, so let me just clear this. Yeah, so cos will be negative here, cos x will be. Okay, so three things you have to note. First thing, sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec, and cot. These are the trigonometric functions, right? Second thing you have to note is Pythagoras that say AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. What it means, we have this right angle triangle here, and the hypotenuse, the whole square of hypotenuse is equal to the whole square of perpendicular and base. Okay, we can say hypotenuse whole square equal to uh, perpendicular का whole square plus base का whole square. Okay, second thing. Third thing you have to remember that this is the quadrant, first, second, third, and fourth. So in first quadrant all functions are positive. In second quadrant sine and cosec is positive, and in third quadrant tan and cot is positive, this is T. Okay, and in fourth quadrant cos and sec is positive. So you have to just remember these three things. Without knowing this, I can't help you. So just remember this first one, this second one, and this third one. Very, very important. Okay. Now we will start solving the question, right? So look, we have right angle triangle. This is very helpful whenever you are doing any exercise and you write A, B, and C. This is perpendicular, this is the angle x, and now we have cos x equal to minus 1 by 2. So we know AB square plus BC square equal to AC square, right? So cos x It means cos, what is cos? Base by hypotenuse. So base is 1 minus 1 and hypotenuse is minus 2, right? So if we forget this also, here, let me just remove this. Let me remove this. So we have a right angle triangle, right? Yeah, right angle triangle, and this is the uh, perpendicular. This is the x. So we have cos x. Okay, so AB, A, B, C. So we have BC, right? So it will be AB square plus BC square equal to AC square. And also, let me just clear this. We also know that sine square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Okay, so instead of remembering this, this one, instead of remembering this, just remember sine square theta plus cos square theta, sine square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Okay, okay, so we have cos, right? So sine square theta equal to 1 minus cos square theta, right? So sine square theta equal to 1 minus, we have cos minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2 का whole square. Yeah, sine square theta equal to 1 minus 1 by 4. Yeah, sine square theta equal to 4 minus 1, that is 3 by 4, right? So we know this cos square theta, this cos square theta is minus, and in the third quadrant, uh, this is minus cos theta, right? So we can say that sine theta equal to root under 3 by 4, that is equal to under root 3 by 4 plus minus, because this cos is in the third quadrant, so it will be in minus, so we will remove the positive one, right? So now we have sine theta equal to minus under root 3 by 4. Okay, so let's put this value, uh, sine theta, that is, suppose this is x, so sine theta will be AB, that is under root 3 minus me and by 4, so this is the minus 4, and we know cos x equal to minus 1 by 2, and sorry, this is not 4, this is 2, this is 2, and this will be also minus 2, right? So we know cos is 1 by minus 1 by 2, so this will be 1. Now sine, we have sine root 3 minus me minus root 3 by 2, 10, that is AB by BC, so it will be minus root 3, right? So 10 will be, so 10 will be minus so 10 will be minus root 3, and because this x is in third quadrant, okay, so in third quadrant here all we are talking about the third one, this one, so here cot and 10 will be in positive, so this is 10, so it will be in positive, right? Now cosec, that is 1 by cos, so it will be AC by B, sorry, cosec, so 1 by sine, so it will be AC by AB, that is minus 2 by root 3, and it will be also a negative value, right? So cos x will be also a negative value. Now we have sec x and cot and 10, So sec x 1 by cos, that is BC by AC by BC. So it will be minus 2. So sec x equal to minus 2. Now we have cot, and point to be noted that cot and tan will be positive in this third quadrant. So we will only write BC by AC, that is 1 by under root 3, right? So this is our answer, and this is the way to find out the uh, AB. So we can just find all the functions on the basis of this AB, BC and AC, right? And just forget this. Okay, done. We have done, right? Now let's solve the question number 2, that is sin x equal to 3 by 5. X lies in second quadrant. So let me just write, this is the second quadrant, and in second quadrant sin and cosec, by law this is positive in this. When we will write the value of sine or cosec, we will not write this in negative value, we will only write in positive value. So now we have sin x equal to 3 by 5. We will make a triangle also, right? This is A, B, C. Sin equal to, suppose this is the x, it will be 3 by 5. We don't know what is AC, then let's calculate this by sin square theta means sin square x plus cos square x equal to 1. We know sin x equal to 3 by 5 and its whole square plus cos square x equal to 1, or cos square x equal to 1 minus 9 by 25. Okay, that is equal to uh, cos x, okay, equal to under root 25 minus 9, that is under root 16 by 25, that is 4 by 5. So cos is 4 by 5. So this is the 5 uh, hypotenuse, and this is 4, that is base, right? So now we have the value of a perpendicular, base and hypotenuse. Okay, very good. Now we have to find cos x. Cos x, cos is 4 by 5, so 4 by 5, and we are talking about the second quadrant. So in second quadrant cos x will be negative value. Okay, so question number 2, cos x will be a negative value. Okay, now cot 10, so it will be also a negative value. Okay, because in second sine and cosec will be only positive. So 10 will be base by perpendicular by base, so it will be minus 3 by 4. Now we have let's say cosec equal to 1 by sine, that is 5 by 3. We will just reverse this, right? And cosec is uh, hypotenuse by perpendicular, right? So 5 by 3, and this is positive in second quadrant, so this will be answer. Now we have sine, cos, tan, cosec. Now sec x equal to, sec will be negative, so first we will apply this negative sign, and sec is 1 by cos, that is hypotenuse by base, so it will be 5 by 4, right? So cos x will be, the cos x will be 5 by 5 by 4. Yeah, okay. Next, uh, next sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec. Now cot is 1 by 10, so we have 10 4 by 3. So cot will be also negative in second quadrant, so we will write minus 4 by 3. So this is the answer, and you can check it in your answer sheet. Now the third question, cot x is 3 by 4. X lies in third quadrant, okay? So this is the first, second, third. So in third we have cot and 10, that is positive. So we have cot, congratulations. So we will make now triangle here. This is x, this is perpendicular, A, B and C, right? So x, cot x is uh, base by hypotenuse, right? So base is 3, hypotenuse is 4. Now we will calculate AC. We will put the value of AC and we will find what is sin x, cos x, 10x. We know 10x will be 4 by 3, right? Opposite of cot. Now sin cos 10, cosec, cosec and sec x, right? So I hope you will do this with your own, because this is very easy. Same like we have sec x, okay? X lies in fourth quadrant, so this is first, second, third, fourth. In fourth we have cos and sec, that is positive. We have sec, then it will be the positive. The opposite of sec is cos, it will be 5 by 13, right? So now we have to find what is sine, what is 10, what is cosec and what is cot. You have to find this. In order to find this, we will make a triangle, and sec x, sec x, this is A, B, C. Again we will take it as a 90 degree. This is as a x. Sec is opposite of 10, it means base by perpendicular. So base is 13, sec 1 by cos. Sorry, I'm so sorry. Uh, Sec will be 1 by cos, right? So cos, cos is base 5. So this is 5, this is 13. We have to find AB. We will put the value of AB and we will calculate sin, 10, cosec, cot, right? Question 5, same. And in this only sec and cos will be positive. Only these two value will be positive, and all this will be in minus only, okay? So fifth one is also like that, 10x, that is negative, and x lies in second quadrant. So this is first, this is second. Here sine and cosec is positive, and all the other value are negative. That's why it's written in the negative form, right? So you will again make a triangle, put the values and calculate one side, and then put in the sine cos 10 functions, right? Now in question number 6, we have something different that we will talk in the next video. uh, that's it in this video. I hope you understand this. If you have any query, any question, just let me know in the comment below, and I will try to solve this. Happy learning. Thank you so much for watching this video.